Hey, welcome to today's video. I am going to show you how I installed a cover shade on the window on my RV door. And this is one of the steps that I take to make sure that I do everything possible to keep my RV as cool as possible in the hot Florida sun. So the RV cover shade that I got, there's going to be a link to that in the description. Super easy to do. It comes with Velcro tape in the packaging, so you don't have to buy that separately. It's really easy to do, really easy to fold up, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did that. See how wide this is so I know. So these pretty much are towards the outside, so I'm going to keep this towards the outside. Okay, so I want the bottom low because it rides low on this. Okay, that attaches nice and solid, and I haven't done this one yet, obviously, but can come up so it rotates like that. Like I said, this one I want to have it on the outside, as far over there, so it hits the, so it meets the Velcro. The winning way. So simple little way to do this. Just takes a little bit of time to make sure your adhesive's good, and this can go up or down, but in the heat of the summer, keep it down and it should help. Alright, now you know how to install an RV door window shade. I hope you saw how easy this is, and I hope it inspired you to make this kind of upgrade yourself, because it is a life changer in the hot Florida sun, I will tell you that much. So everything that you need for this install comes with the product. The only thing different that I used is I used a rag and then some rubbing alcohol to clean the area off. But yeah, everything else came with it. What I would recommend is making sure you measure the window on your RV door prior to purchase, so you make sure you get the right size. I hope you found this helpful. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you have any ideas for other content that I can make. Make sure to check out my other video on the top ways to make your RV cooler in the heat. So don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.